Today, we're at one of the most famous local dining spots in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. And the experience begins not at the table but right here in the open kitchen. The moment you walk in, you're surrounded by fire, steam, and incredible aromas. Massive pots sit over open flames, slowly cooking a dish that has been part of this culture for generations. You can see the chefs carefully preparing every ingredient, moving with confidence and precision. This isn't just cooking, it's tradition in motion. The smell of rice, spices, and tender meat fills the air, building anticipation with every second. Before you even sit down, you already know this is going to be something special. There's a huge crowd, tables filled with people enjoying their meals, conversations blending with the sounds of the busy kitchen. Staff move quickly in every direction, carrying dishes, welcoming guests, and keeping everything running smoothly. The energy here is incredible, fast, lively, and full of life. You know, when a place is this busy, it means one thing: the food is worth it. And this is just the beginning of the experience. And here it is, the moment we've been waiting for. Fresh from the kitchen, full of flavor, and made with tradition you can see and smell. This is more than just a meal, it's a true taste of Tashkent. I hope you enjoyed this experience with me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel and food journeys around the world. See you in the next adventure.